Hey everybody, it's Christopher Small from Building a Law Firm, coming to you live as always. Today a little bit later than normal, but I'm getting my time in. My goal, as you know, is to do these every day for like at least a whole year, maybe just to keep doing them forever, because they're a lot of fun and I think they provide you a lot of value. So today what I wanted to talk about was the solution to getting the things done that you want, or something like that. I always forget the titles literally from the 10 seconds I write them to when I get up here, but that's the gist of it. And I want to warn you, it's going to be like some real talk. We're not going to be sugarcoating anything today. I had a so this is the first Monday of every month is when I have meetings with my syndicate members. And what we do is we look at the revenues from the month before. We talk about a couple of wins, we talk about a couple of challenges, we review sort of the progress that they wanted to make throughout the month, and then we talk about what to do in the month ahead. So I had all those meetings today, and it was quite interesting. A common theme that I see among syndicate members, myself, everybody that is a high or a low achiever, to be quite honest with you, is the idea or the fact that we don't have enough time to get everything done that we want to get done in a day. And what that often results in when we have our syndicate meetings is people telling me I just didn't have enough time to create my videos, or I didn't have enough time to, write that blog post, or I didn't have enough time to have that networking meeting, or those networking meetings that I know I said I wanted to do, or fill in the blank with whatever it is that they want to do. And then that sort of sparks the discussion about how to become more productive, or how to manage your time so that those things get done. And it's at that time that we just have to have real talk. And what I tell them is basically, look, you are never going to be able to get everything done that you want. That's just the way that it goes. What you are telling me and what you are telling yourself, though, is that the things that you are not getting done are simply not that high of a priority on your list, and or they are just harder than the things that you're currently doing, and or you don't have enough leverage, i.e. people skills, to get the things off of your plate that you need to get off of your plate so that you can do the things that you need to do to get the work done. Okay, hopefully that made sense. That was a long sentence. But at the end of the day, it then just boils around to, what are your priorities? What are you trying to get done during the day? And what are you allowing yourself to do at the expense of not doing other things? That is the simple solution to getting more right stuff done, which is really what we're talking about. We're not talking about getting more done throughout the day. We're talking about getting more of the right things done. And then this also leads to the next question, which is, it's not the next question, it's the next idea or concept, which is, you actually have a lot more in the tank than you think, and you have a lot more time in the day than you think. But the question is, or the commitment you have to decide if you're willing to make, is to do the things that need to get done, no matter what, And what I say is this, most of the guys and gals in the syndicate know that they need to be making content on the regular if they really want to get where they're supposed to go. And this is one of the biggest problems, or one of the biggest areas of, failure to perform that they hit as well. And what I ask them is, or what I tell them to think about is, do you really want to get to the place that you have told me that you want to get, that you have committed sort of in your mind that you want to get? Do you really, really want to get there? Because if you do, then you will make the videos. If you do, then you will find a way to do the thing that needs to be done, even if it means you got to stay up a couple extra minutes longer. It will mean that you do the live video instead of doing the recording and editing and things like that, because it allows you to get the thing done that you need to get done. It means coming on here at 11:15 at night, which is what I'm doing right now, and recording this video, even though it may not be exactly the first thing that I want to do. And But I know by doing this video, by creating this content, and I created a law firm one right before this, I know that it's going to help you, it's going to help me, and it's going to help everyone. So if you are having a problem getting things done with your firm, it's probably a combination of those two things. Thing number one is you're not prioritizing your to-do list correctly every day so that the things get done that actually need to get done. And then number two, you aren't committed enough to making sure that everything gets done that needs to get done on a daily basis. And for those two reasons, you probably aren't seeing the results that you want to see. So the simple solution is to take a look at what you're doing on a daily basis and prioritize it so that you're doing the things that matter the most first. And really the things that matter the most first are probably going to be reaching out to new clients, promoting your business and promoting your brand, signing up new clients, doing the client work, and everything else is probably sort of falling away on the wayside for that. All right, so that's it. You just have to decide, what do I want? Am I willing to do this? Am I willing to put in the work? Am I willing to be uncomfortable? Am I willing to hit the live video button on Facebook and record a video like this and talk to people about the things that I know about so I can help them so that they'll hire me or not? And, you know, two things will tell me the answer to that. Thing number one is, how many videos are you making? Thing number two is, are you making the progress that you want to make? All right, so that's it. So put that stuff at the top of the priority list and get her done. All right. And by the way, can't believe I didn't even say this. If you want some help on this stuff, I'm hosting a workshop in Kansas City on Friday. As of recording this, if you want to come and check it out, go to q2workshop.com. Come and sign up, and come and join us, because it's going to be a good time. You're going to learn a ton, and you're going to walk out of there having taken some action, I guarantee you. All right, that is it. Have a great night. q2workshop.com. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you have a comment, comment. If you know someone that needs to hear this, share it. All right, otherwise, I'll talk to you again tomorrow. See you.